Hi and welcome to When Techno IT Solution and Academy. You're all in one place to learn complete web programming from start to finish.
The course runs for 3 months, and the best part? You can start anytime. Who can join? Absolutely anyone, no background needed. We teach in both Urdu and English, so it's easy to follow. I am your instructor, Ali Usman.
In this journey we use tools: HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, jQuery, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, and phpMyAdmin. Everything you need to build real, working websites.
So what exactly will you learn? First, you'll learn how to create beautiful and well-structured websites using HTML and CSS. Then, you'll make your websites responsive and user-friendly with Bootstrap and jQuery, so they look great on any device. You'll also work on static websites, focusing on layout, colors, fonts, and a smooth user experience.
Moving to the back end, you'll write PHP scripts to handle things like forms, logins, and business logic. You'll learn to create and manage databases using MySQL and phpMyAdmin, perfect for storing data like users, products, or messages.
By the end, you'll build complete web applications like a CMS, Content Management System, POS, Point of Sale, and SMS, Student Management System, with full front-end and back-end integration.
Dear students, after this course you'll be ready to work as a full-stack web developer, whether it's your own project, freelancing online, or applying for jobs in the tech industry. You won't just learn, you'll be ready to earn. So what are you waiting for?
Enroll now, and let's start your journey in web development. Thank you for joining us. Let's learn together, stay motivated, and explore the world of endless possibilities.